Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Azkar to recite after Azan. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever says these words when he hears the muazzin, means after Azan, Allah will forgive his sins. Wa ana ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami deena wa bi Muhammadin rasula. I be a witness that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah alone, without partners, and that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his slave and messenger. I am happy with Allah as my Lord, with Islam as my religion, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as a messenger. Jame Tirmizi, Sahih.